What's up, everyone? So if you are looking for work from home platforms like the ones that I have shared on this channel, such as Appen or TELUS International, then you will want to stick around for this entire video, because today I will share information about another great company that has multiple work from home and freelance opportunities. This company is called RWS Group, and as always, we're going to jump right into it. So if you find value in this content, make sure to check the links in the description for ways to support the channel, or all you got to do is hit that like button. So let's not waste any more of your time and let's go. So later on, I will share how to find freelance work from home jobs with this company. But first, I want to show you how you can find a position with RWS Group that is a fully remote work from home job that does not require previous experience and gives you a flexible schedule. And those opportunities are going to be available by joining their Smart Source AI community. So they offer freelance, remote, part-time, work from home jobs to help train AI. And this page right here tells you everything that you need to know, starting off with the fact that there is no experience required. So they say that anyone at any career level can join their Smart Source AI community, and they have opportunities for all skill levels, from students looking to earn extra cash and entry-level candidates just beginning their careers, to seasoned professionals and freelancers looking to supplement their existing income. And they also offer a flexible work schedule. So they say that they believe in work-life balance, and you can choose which freelance, remote, part-time, or work from home jobs you want to work on and when to fit your busy schedule. And they say that they also offer fair pay. And if you go further down, you'll see some of the types of opportunities that they offer. And we'll just take a quick moment to go over some of these. So some of the opportunities that they mention is that you could work as an online rater, a data collector, a data annotator, a search engine evaluator, an ad evaluator, or other project-specific opportunities. So these jobs are going to be similar to what you would find from companies like TELUS International or Appen. And if you have never heard of these companies either, then definitely check out the content on my channel to learn more, where I share my own personal experience of working for these companies. Now, if you're not familiar with these types of positions, essentially one of the main aspects of these kind of jobs is going to be evaluating search engine results, ads, and websites to determine if they're relevant to users. So you may be doing some work for search engine platforms like Google, or you might even do some work for social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Now, they also share with you some more information down here, and they tell you how it works. So essentially, you join this AI community, you have to do some training and some testing, you start to complete tasks, and then you get paid. And what I really like is that they have this really useful FAQ section right here. And without taking time to go over every single question, I do want to address the things that, like me, you're probably thinking about. Is there a fee that must be paid to join the community? And they say that there's no fee required to join the AI community, and they'll never ask for any payments from you of any kind. So that's really important to note. There are scammers out there, so never pay to join these types of platforms. Now, another important question is, how much can I earn as a member of this community? And they say that they pay per task completed. And so as a member of the community, your earning potential is based on the number of tasks you complete. But what's great is that they say there are no limits to the number of projects you can work on or the number of tasks you can complete. And task payments vary by project based on the time required to complete the task, and payment details will be communicated to you in advance. So myself personally, I've worked on these different types of pay per task jobs before. And what's really great that I'm seeing here is that they're saying that you could work on multiple projects. And so it really is going to depend what the project is and how much to pay per task to see how much you're going to make. Another important question that they have answered here is, how would you get paid? And they say that payments are sent via PayPal or directly to your bank account. And during registration, you'll have the opportunity to select your preferred payment method. So that's really great. You can have money put right into your bank account or have it sent to PayPal, which for me personally, that's typically how I do it myself. Now, if you're interested in joining this platform, it's pretty straightforward. They have a really simple form that you have to submit. They just ask for your email, first name, last name, and the country that you're from. And I'm sure that there's other questions later on, but at least initially, this is what you have to just submit. So you may also be wondering what kind of work from home jobs are available through this platform. And really quickly, I just wanted to just show you that they do have several jobs currently posted For the most part, they are data collector, data specialist, and online rater for AI model positions. And they have these jobs from really everywhere in the world. So whether you're in Seoul, Korea, or you're in Berlin, or you're in the US, so they have a lot of different jobs available. So I just wanted to just take a moment to show you that. Now, what's really great about this company is not only do they have that AI community platform, but they also have several freelance work from home opportunities as well. So let me show you how you would find these positions. So if you just go to their website, and there's a section where you can actually join as a freelancer. They say that you can join qualified and motivated subject matter experts across life sciences, financial services, legal, high-tech, marketing and creative services, retail, travel, hospitality, and tourism to bring meaningful changes in the communication between people and businesses around the world. So they have 4 different areas for these types of freelance jobs. As they mentioned, life sciences, intellectual property services, RWS Morovia, and SDL Limited. And so let's take a look at this one right here. So I'll hit find out more, and it takes me to this page right here for me to sign up as a freelancer. And so you can actually choose if you're just an individual, if you have your own freelance business, or if you're working for a company as well. So those are just some other great opportunities to check out if you're interested in looking for freelance work as well. Now today I jumped right into these work from home jobs from RWS Group because I never want to waste your time and I want to get right into the point, but we should take a moment to make sure that this company is legit. And so one of the things that I did want to share that I found about this company is that it has been around since 1958 and it is based in the United Kingdom, and they have anywhere from $500 million to $1 billion in revenue. And some of their competitors are companies like Lionbridge or TransPerfect, which you may have heard of before. Now, to just show you some reviews from people who have worked from them, on Glassdoor, they have about 69% of people who would recommend this company to a friend and 73% of people who would approve of the CEO. So overall, they have some pretty good reviews there. And I also shared that I did some more digging and I found some reviews online from people who have worked for RWS Group. And one person said that they are legit. They worked for them for a while as a contractor, but the work was very sporadic, which is really good to know. And they say that the projects that they worked on involved a major tech company. So as you can imagine, it might be an Apple or a Google or Facebook. But they said because of that, everything was on the hush-hush. But the work was interesting and the money was okay. So that's just one review. I'm sure obviously there's going to be some good, some not so good reviews out there, but just wanted to share that with you. So check out RWS Group for another great work from home platform, and make sure to check the links in the description to support the channel, or just hitting that like button is really all you got to do. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next video.